Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see who rewatched your Snapchat stories. Well, you can do that because Snapchat has provided this feature now. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to get this feature to see who has rewatched your Snapchat story, you need to get the premium version of Snapchat, which means you need to pay a certain amount of money monthly to Snapchat to unlock this feature. And you're just not going to unlock this feature. There's going to be multiple new features if you get Snapchat premium version. Let me show you how to get Snapchat premium, as well as what those features are going to be, as well as how you guys can rewatch your stories. Alright, so first thing first, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen on Snapchat. Once you click on your profile, it's going to bring you to this place, which is your Snapchat profile. Over here at the bottom where it says chat wallpaper, you can click on it. So it's basically asking me to get the premium version of Snapchat, because that is basically what chat wallpaper is. Click on it and it's going to show you Snapchat Plus at the top. That means you can click on next at the bottom and you can buy your Snapchat premium. You can get the monthly or the yearly subscription model. Yearly is going to be cheap. But these are all the features you are going to get for Snapchat Premium, remember that. And among this, you can see this option called Story Rewatch. You can see Story Rewatch is also available. So let me just click on Story Rewatch. And this is basically what this feature is going to look like. As you guys can see, it's going to show you exactly how many people rewatched your story or how many people screen recorded your story. It's going to be shown just like this. So you need to get the premium version of Snapchat, alright? And you can click on next and you can try this for 7 days as well. So you don't have to purchase it actually, you can just try it for 7 days. You can click on start free trial to start it, to get it for 7 days for free. After that, if you want to use it more, you can pay it, alright? So it's like $0.49 per month. So if you want to get the yearly subscription, you can pay $5.88 per year. That's really cheap for like an entire year's plan. So that's how you guys can rewatch your Snapchat story or know who rewatched your Snapchat story. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.